Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Varsha and in this series I am sharing my experience regarding the CA final classes. I have already shared my experience regarding group 1 classes, SCM, PE and elective subject classes. This video is about direct access. So I have taken direct access subject from Bhavar Borana sir. As you already know, he teaches for CA final as well as CA inter. Initially I was planning to take classes from VG sir, that is Vinod Gupta sir, because everyone was saying that you will get very much clarity and in-depth analysis when you will take his classes, but since they were too lengthy and I was not having sufficient time, so I went for Bhavar Borana sir. His duration was about 60 lectures, 3 hours every day. So I attended those classes and those classes are really nice. I really like this way of teaching. First of all, he will explain you all the concepts in his language, made you write certain examples and then explain them with the help of provisions, so that you also get the writing practice. When you appear for exam, you know how to write the answer, so that is really helpful. When we cover all the topics of a particular chapter, he will tell you to practice the questions in compiler, so you complete that and after that you read the compact book. So in this sequence you will get a very nice clarity about all the chapters and you will be able to retain as well. And in examination he also provides you with the revision lectures. Those revision lectures were a boon for me because you are able to revise complete DT with the help of those revision lectures. Otherwise you will not be able to revise DT. It is so vast, we all know. So I really liked his classes. He also creates humor in the class, so you will really enjoy it and you will not at all get bored with his classes. The study material is sufficient. When you will refer that, you don't need to refer to ICAI material. He also provides one-liners for the judicial pronouncements, so there is no need to refer any other material. That is sufficient and that is the main thing, because if we have to cover study material also, then what is the need of taking the classes? I feel that the book should be comprehensive enough that when we are doing it, we need not do anything else. I have also made a video on his compiler book review and compact book review, so you can watch that to get an idea of how his book is. So I felt that the classes were really good. If you have also taken his classes, you can comment below, or if you have taken classes from any other teacher, then you can comment below so that other students can also benefit from your feedback. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.